Welcome to Neturbiz Enterprises YouTube channel. Today's topic will be over the top 10 breakthroughs in AI technology. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, certain moments stand out as monumental. These breakthroughs redefine what's possible and transform societies, economies, and everyday lives. They mark the dawn of new industries and the decline of old ones, reshaping our world in profound ways. Imagine a world where diseases are cured at the genetic level, cars navigate themselves, and transactions are inherently secure and transparent. These are real possibilities being brought to life by today's top breakthrough technologies. The following sections will guide you through 10 of the most groundbreaking technologies that are setting the stage for a future that once seemed like pure science fiction. Quantum computing represents a fundamental leap in processing power, harnessing the peculiar properties of quantum bits, or qubits. This technology is poised to revolutionize fields ranging from cryptography to drug discovery, offering solutions exponentially faster than current capabilities. The breakthrough moment came when researchers stabilized and manipulated qubits long enough to perform meaningful calculations. Problems that would take traditional computers millennia to solve could be tackled in mere seconds. Imagine a scenario where a new drug can be developed not in years but in months, thanks to the ability to quickly simulate molecular interactions. Quantum computing could alter the very fabric of scientific research and development, heralding a new era of accelerated discovery. CRISPR technology has turned the science fiction concept of gene editing into a startling reality. It allows scientists to edit parts of the genome by removing, adding, or altering sections of the DNA sequence. The defining moment for CRISPR came when researchers demonstrated that it could precisely alter DNA in live cells with high accuracy. This breakthrough means genetic diseases could potentially be corrected at their source. CRISPR's impact extends beyond medicine, enhancing crop resistance to pests and diseases, and creating more efficient biofuels. Consider the ethical discussions that CRISPR has ignited. The power to alter life at such a fundamental level comes with significant responsibilities and moral questions. The dream of cars that drive themselves has tantalized inventors for decades. Today, autonomous vehicles, AVs, are turning this dream into reality, promising to transform our transportation systems and reduce accidents. The breakthrough moment was the successful navigation of complex urban environments without human intervention. AVs could handle real-world driving, adapting to unexpected situations such as pedestrians crossing or cyclists weaving through traffic. They hold the promise of significantly reducing traffic accidents, most of which are caused by human error. Moreover, AVs could provide mobility for those who are currently unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. Blockchain technology, best known as the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, offers much more than just a new way to conduct transactions. At its core, blockchain provides a decentralized and transparent way to record and verify all types of transactions. This breakthrough has profound implications for industries where trust is a critical component. For example, in supply chain management, blockchain can provide a transparent record of the journey products take from factory to consumer. The impact of blockchain extends into areas like voting systems and real estate, simplifying property transactions by transparently recording ownership history. Consider the empowerment that comes with knowing the origins of the products you buy. Blockchain is about redefining trust in a digital age, making systems more accountable and transparent. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents a future where machines can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This level of AI would be capable of reasoning, understanding, and learning in a way that mimics human cognition. The development of AGI would mark a monumental shift in our relationship with technology. Machines that can learn and think like humans could become partners in solving some of the world's most complex problems. In healthcare, AGI could lead to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. The potential for AGI to enhance our capabilities and improve our lives is virtually limitless. The dialogue surrounding AGI is as much about the technology itself as it is about the societal shifts it would bring. The shift towards renewable energy is essential for combating climate change and ensuring a sustainable future. Breakthroughs like more efficient solar panels and large-scale battery storage solutions have made renewable energy more accessible and affordable. Renewable technologies are allowing communities in remote and underserved regions to access reliable, clean energy for the first time. They are fostering new industries and job opportunities, reducing reliance on fossil fuels, and promoting energy independence. Imagine a world where your home is powered by the sun and your car is fueled by the wind. The transition to renewables is about creating a resilient, sustainable energy system that supports the health and well-being of all citizens. Virtual reality, or VR technology, immerses users in a completely artificial environment, creating experiences that are both vivid and interactive. The breakthrough in VR came with the development of affordable headsets capable of delivering high-quality, immersive experiences. In education, VR can transport students to ancient Rome or inside the human body, providing engaging experiential learning. In healthcare, it's used for surgical training and therapy, offering safe environments for professionals to hone their skills. Imagine attending a concert by your favorite band, front row, from the comfort of your living room, or walking the surface of Mars. VR makes these experiences possible, expanding the boundaries of our reality. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for connecting and exchanging data. IoT is transforming everyday objects into a network of intelligence that promises to simplify and enhance daily life. From smart thermostats to refrigerators that can order groceries, IoT is making the environments around us smarter and more responsive. The potential for IoT to improve efficiency and sustainability is enormous, presenting opportunities to make a significant impact on the global economy and the environment. IoT is creating a connected world where the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The breakthrough in 3D printing came with the development of materials that could be used for more than just prototyping. In healthcare, it's used for printing prosthetics and implants tailored to individual patients. In construction, 3D printing is being used to build homes faster and more cheaply than traditional methods. Imagine a future where you can design and manufacture products from the comfort of your home. 3D printing is turning these ideas into reality, providing a platform for creative solutions and making manufacturing more accessible to everyone. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level to create materials with remarkably varied and new properties. The breakthrough in nanotechnology came with the ability to see and manipulate atoms directly. In medicine, nanoparticles are being used to target cancer cells with high precision, reducing the side effects of chemotherapy. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing industries like electronics, developing smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient components. Imagine a world where the clothes you wear can monitor your health and adjust their temperature based on your body's needs. Nanotechnology is making these and other incredible advancements possible, driving a wave of innovation that permeates every aspect of our lives. As we have explored the top 10 breakthrough technologies, it's clear that each is not just a step forward, but a leap into a new frontier of innovation. These technologies are reshaping industries, redefining our experiences, and expanding the boundaries of what is possible. The collective impact of these technologies will be profound as they continue to develop and intersect. The future they promise is one of increased efficiency, enhanced connectivity, and greater sustainability. The journey of innovation is an ongoing one, and the technologies we've discussed are just the beginning. The next chapter of human progress is being written with each breakthrough, and it's a story full of hope, wonder, and infinite potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends in AI innovations. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with us the endless possibilities of the advancements of AI technologies.